Many of you would have seen this vision board behind me, and especially my recent videos. I actually want it to be in view. It's intentional. But I want to tell you something. Yesterday, I looked at this vision board, and as I looked over all the things that are on here, I took two things off because they were attached to a brand that I previously admired and previously aspired to be a part of. But that brand is no longer aligned with who I am and who I'm becoming. And therefore, I took it off my vision board. And I'm telling you that to say, at the beginning of this year or at the end of last year or 5 years ago, you might have been aspiring to become a certain thing, become a certain person, attain something, whether it was a possession, whether it was a position, right? And you are becoming someone new. Every single day you're becoming someone new if you are being intentional, right, about your vision. And this is where evaluation comes up. Remember, I was talking about living life with ease, the 3 E's: evaluation, evolution, and elevation. That first E is extremely important. Evaluate where you are and do this consistently. Evaluate, does this goal, does this desire really gel with who I am? Does it really gel with who I want to become? Does it really gel with where God is leading me? And I think that's even more important, because a lot of us ignore the nudges that God Himself is giving us because we want to aspire to something that we think society needs or something that we think someone else in our life needs. And we're not listening to those nudges, those divine hints that are telling us where we should be going and what we should be doing. And yesterday, I really felt in my gut that this particular aspiration was no longer aligned with the person I'm becoming, where God is taking me, and where I desire to go. So I took it off my vision board. Don't be afraid to reframe your vision. Don't be afraid to reimagine your vision. Don't be afraid to rewrite your story and make the tweaks that you need to make in order to refine your vision and refine where your life is going. Because if you don't, you'll find yourself on a path that ends up, yes, you might achieve the goal, but on the inside, there isn't that satisfaction that you're looking for. How many of you have gotten to a place where you've achieved the thing that you set out to achieve, but yet it didn't give you the satisfaction that you thought it was going to give you? Because when you set your goals on a superficial level, you get superficial satisfaction. When you set your goals on a soul level and you set your goals on a spiritual level, you get a full sense of satisfaction, because it is your soul and it is your spirit that will be satisfied when you walk in alignment with what you were created to do and who you were created to be. I hope this helps. Blessings on your journey. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.